Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. I know I haven't really talked about Boson protocol in a while, but it's still one of my original KuCoin gems, the ones that I'm actually looking for the 100% gain. I actually bought in a little bit under $2. I'm almost at 100% gain. I'm gonna be cashing out. I think my cash out price is around $4. So still waiting for this to run up maybe about. So we did hit peaks of $3.60. Keep in mind you wicked perfectly to the top, but you're not actually crossing above that $3.34 5 cent 30-ish mark, right? 32-cent mark. What I'm waiting for is for us to get to the sweet level of $4. I already have a sell limit in place for that, so after that actually ends up happening, I will more than likely. I think I'll take like $1,000 profit, so full 100% gain. And then after that happens, I'll start looking for my next small cap crypto. I still have positions, and I think Polk, and there's like other ones that I have going on. Those have not hit 100% gain yet. There's I think they're all still about like 20 to 30% gain. So I'm not taking any profit yet until it hits 100%. Then I'll be taking my full profit, and then trying to find more, um, trying to find more small cap crypto. But again, it really just kind of depends on the time and how it's actually going to keep running and stuff. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.